Hi guys! Today we use coupons on the SHEIN app. So first of all, open the SHEIN app on your phone. As soon as you open it, you'll land on the home page where different categories are shown. These categories help you explore products easily, so just take a quick look around. Now we're going to choose any category to move forward. Now, from the home screen, select any category that you like. It can be clothing, accessories, or anything you want to buy. Once you tap on a category, you'll see a list of products available. Just scroll a little and pick any product that catches your eye. After selecting a category, go ahead and tap on any product. This will open the product details page where you can see images, price, and options. Make sure to check the size or details if needed before continuing. Now we're ready to add this item to the cart. Now simply tap on the Add to Cart button at the bottom. Sometimes when you add a product to the cart, SHEIN automatically shows available coupons. This usually happens if it's your first or second order, so you might get a discount instantly. But if no coupon appears, don't worry, we'll apply it manually. Now go to your cart by tapping on the glag icon. Here you'll see all the items you've added. Just review your items quickly to make sure everything is correct. Then we'll move ahead to the checkout process. Once you're in the cart, look at the bottom right side and tap on Checkout. This will take you to the Payment and Order Summary page. This is where you finally get the option to apply your coupon. So stay with me, we're almost done. Now on the checkout page, look for the gift card or coupon option. Tap on it, and you'll see a section where you can enter your coupon code. This is the main step where your discount gets applied. Make sure you enter the correct code carefully. Now enter all the required details like your coupon code and PIN. Usually the code has letters and numbers, and sometimes a 4-digit PIN is required. Type everything correctly because even a small mistake can stop it from working. After entering, your discount will be applied automatically. So that's how you can easily use coupons on the SHEIN app and save money on your orders. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions.